Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. A happy Saturday morning, which is weird to say because usually we always do the show on Thursday night. It's called Forex Talk Over Beer, and usually we crack up a little beer, we have fun together, we discuss Forex, and we enjoy a nice little drink. But this morning's gonna be a little different. It's gonna be Forex Talk over Monster Energy Drink. Yeah. So welcome to the new people. Welcome back for the existing followers. So as you know, we're building back the audience. So make sure to smash that like button so we can provide information and knowledge to many people. Let's jump into the comments before we get started. We got, oh, hello. What's up? J'imagine en direct de Mont-Tremblant, les amis. Hey, Chris, hey, Sasha Morning, finally got a chance to attend F2AB Monster. Haha, yeah, man, because usually Chris is overseas and he always have to listen to the replay, right? So first time that you're able to be live, so that's great. Make sure to get your question. I know you sent me some question and chart on Instagram. I didn't have a chance to look at them yet. Was really busy in the last couple of days, but yeah, we're definitely gonna take a look at it. Um, all right, so before we get started, hey, let's crack up this little beast here. Let's crack it up. Let's crack it up. We got Vanessa. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Vanessa. Hopefully you're doing good. Hey, cheers over. It's not a beer. Don't be scared. It's not a beer this morning. It's energy drink. All right, cheers. Because maybe you're watching the replay, it's nighttime and you're having a drink. So, hey, cheers to that. Okay, so all right, so let's get started. We're gonna move on and we're gonna talk about that massive trade on. Let me just check something here on Solana. Did yesterday close bearish or bullish? Okay. Smaller body candle. Sorry, I'm just trying to plan my re-entry on Solana. So okay, all right. So let's jump into. Oh, let's put this bigger. Here we go. Awesome. Let's put that banner. Here we go. We're ready to move on. And don't be shy, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask. It'll be my pleasure to help. We might do a giveaway at the end. I don't know. We'll see how many likes we get and how many people that's still there at the end. But we might raffle up another hoodie. We'll see. I am Yogi. I saw a comment popping up here somewhere. Where's it? Oh, here we go. Hey Sasha, what's up, buddy? I'm Yogi. I'm good, man. What about you? Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah. So tomorrow night is the big party at home. So we'll see how it goes. Faris, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy to have you here this morning. All right, so let's jump into this massive trade here on NZD/GPY. I received tons of message about that one. So we're definitely gonna break that one down. Whew, that was hard. Krish, man, Sol is rocket, not stopping anytime soon. LOL. By the way, where are you seeing Sol Sensei? All right, let's discuss that very quickly before we jump into NZD/GPY. I mean, Solana. This is where I like all the yellow lines you see. This is all my entries I'm still holding. I mean, I bought Solana at. Let me put this chart smaller here. All those yellow lines is where I bought a shit ton. But now I'm thinking that after this massive push here, you're looking at the weekly time frame chart. After this massive push, especially like hitting the $100, $125 mark, it's gonna be hard to not have a retest. You look at this monthly time frame here. Okay, so we definitely hit that monthly resistance right there. So I'm thinking we might have a retracement now. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this weekly candle now. Tomorrow it's gonna close. So I mean Monday, it's gonna close, and if this close bearish like this, I think we're gonna be good for pull back around the 90, 80-ish dollar area. So this is where I'm probably going to buy a little bit because I need to do a transaction on Solana. I don't want to touch those. So that's why but I don't look for buying more because I bought a shit ton over here. So yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. But right now, pretty exciting, not gonna lie. Pretty excited. The only thing that sucks though, it's most of my Solana, I would say like 60-70% of my Solana are stuck into some NFT project, which kind of effy, even if I sell them at a loss right now, I'm still making money because Solana is at 120. I mean, now is at 103, but let's say it goes back to 120, 130. Even if I'm losing on the NFT project, money wise, I'll be making money. So I'll see. We shall see. Anyways, let's jump into Forex. But keep your question for crypto at the end if you want. We'll go over it. Let's see here. I'm good, brother. Thanks for asking. I'm Yugi. I haven't taken any trade this week, but NG was my top pair this week. Yeah, man. NG. What am I saying? NG was really good. K1 Daily. Hey, Sasha. Happy holidays. Thank you, man. Happy holidays to you too and your family. What wallet use? I use Phantom. Phantom is probably one of the best one, I think. Anyways, that's the one I use. I like it. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you coming in. Saturday morning special Forex stock over a monster. All right, so let's break it down. You guys ready? Because this trade had pretty much everything that we should look for in a trade. Okay. So first thing first, we're looking at the weekly time frame. Okay. We're looking at the weekly time frame. We are bullish. We have the pullback at this area of interest, which is a weekly area of interest. If we go look to the left, we'll find some more areas. Hold on, was it a daily or weekly? Weekly, we got 1, 2 resistance right there. Oh yeah, I think I call, yeah, here we go here. But it's really far though, so I don't really rely on those. It's because we didn't add anything closer, to be honest, but we had a massive area here. So for me, it was like kind of valid, but the thing that made it the most valid is because we had this boom right here. Perfect. So we had that golden zone area on the weekly time frame, and we did form support right past it at the safety net right here. So for me, it was good enough. I was like, all right, excellent. I got double confirmation right here. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily was bearish. Daily was bearish by closing under that support right here. So we flipped bearish. And once we broke that resistance here, we flipped back bullish. So when that happened, I go on the 4-hour time frame and I'm waiting for the same thing. I'm waiting for the break of structure, which happened kind of right here. This is no elbow. Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. Here it's kind of effy. I don't like those elbows. Those are no elbows. So yeah. So there we go. So once we broke here, we finally broke that resistance. We flipped bullish. At that moment, I'm just waiting for the pullback inside that golden zone to take it to the upside. Okay. So this is exactly what happened. And if you guys remember, we draw that, the exact thing. We draw this right here before everything happened here. Okay, we draw this before anything happened here. We draw that on Forex stock over a beer, I think like 2 Thursdays ago, if I'm not wrong. So let's remove that. So once we hit the golden zone, what I do? Once we hit the golden zone, I go down to the lower time frame, like the 30-minute, and I wait for that break of structure inside that golden zone or outside, whatever. But once we reach it. So if you look here, 30-minute is bearish from there to there. Right here, we flipped back, we went bullish, but I never had an entry here with an engulfing candle. So that's why I didn't took it here. Okay. I didn't took it. We pushed back up. We flipped back bearish here. Okay. we flipped back bearish, and once we broke, where was it? Here we got an elbow here. Once we broke there, we had the pullback here. We flipped bullish. Here I forgot that elbow. If you see here, we got an elbow here. Okay. So hopefully it's. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Let's see if the 1 hour had a better entry. Yeah, not really. Not really. I'm trying to see, like, because I always love to go back on my trade and see, like, did I took the best entry or did he had a better entry than this? Not really. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just trying to analyze here. Did I? Yeah, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, 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 okay. So I guess like once we, I guess here was another entry because once we flip bullish here, I guess this can be a good entry. But once we create a higher high, I always prefer to wait for the pullback and enter after. This is exactly what happened. So I don't know why this, but this was the entry. Okay, so this was the entry. After this doji here on the 30-minute, we had a nice engulfing candle. Boom, take the entry, write it up. Okay, almost got stopped here. Not gonna lie, I was a little like nervous, but it's part of the game. I always like these candles. When I saw that after this big push, closing bullish engulfing, I don't know if you heard me saying that before, but this is like rocket fuel. Okay, but that big wick like this, it's gonna give fuel to price to push to the upside. Okay, so now where did I close and why? Okay, so I think that's one of the questions I had coming up. So the reason why here, if you see here, I put an arrow, exited when this H4 candle failed on breaking previous high. Okay, so what happened here is this H4 candle. Was it this one or this one? Oh yeah, it was during that H4 candle. Sorry. It kind of pushed up, failed on breaking the high, and start coming back down. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. And this is where I closed because I was really happy with the profit. It was like 4.45 to 1. At this stage, we were hitting this H4 resistance. So I was like, you know what? Look at the daily. We're hitting that daily resistance right here. So I was like, you know what? After seeing this, the 4 hour and the daily resistance being hit and rejected, I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let me secure profit. Anyways, I have another trade running on AUD GPY. I leave AUD GPY run, and this one I'm securing my profits. Okay, so this one was pretty good because I had 2% risk on that one. So this was beautiful. Like it was like literally like almost like 9% win on that one. So yeah, pretty good. Cheers, guys. Okay, so let's see now if we have any question about that one before we jump in AUD GPY. Also, again, something else. The other reason why I closed also, I want to share that with you. If you look here, let me do this maybe on 1 hour. $250. Where is it? 250, 500. No, okay. It was not on that pair. I think it was on AUD GPY. Sorry, guys, I'm confusing something. Okay, so let's jump into questions before we move on to AUD GPY. Man, I'm getting a lot of notification right now. Okay, so like the stream, guys. Yeah. I am Yogi. Thank you so much for the support. Cheers. Hey, Jack Andrewson, how are you, man? You like what? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got some Stupid people ban, delete their comment. There we go. Thank you. Sayonara. Let's remove that. Okay, sorry about that, guys. We got some stupid people. Like the stream, guys. Okay, the 4-hour candle where you exited was also kind of evening doji, wasn't it? Man, doji works great on higher time frame. Totally, yeah. But also price action. You know, just like when you look at those candles, they're telling you a story, right? So, yeah, no, definitely that doji was a big hint on get the hell out of there. Like if I wasn't closing during that candle, I would be closing on this candle for sure. You know, so yeah, so that was good. Um, you see this, like after this big push up, people were freaking out. Oh man, we missed the trade. We missed the trade. People are trying to get in that trade here. You know, I remember that on Discord we had some people like trying to get in the trade here. It's like, dude, guys, wait, sell down, chill, man, go touch grass. I don't know. Wait for the pullback, you know. And what happened? Boom, pullback. No pullback, no trade. Easy, you know. GG. Okay, I think we had other questions. Let's see. Krish. Okay, we answered that. Doji for the win. Yeah, Doji is a great hint. Um, oh, FTW means for the win, if I'm not wrong. Usually I'm the one that really don't understand acronyms or those things, but whatever. David Johnson, Happy New Year, Sasha. I want to know when you are going to start trading Forex next year. Like anytime that a setup showed up, you know, so we'll see. But we're definitely going to take a look at trade ideas for the next upcoming days. So stay with us. Yeah, for the win. I knew it. I knew that one. Damn, I'm getting good at this. Man, I feel 20. I feel 20 years old now. Okay, so let's jump into where's AUDGPY? AUDGPY, where are you, my friend? Here we go. Perfect. All right, excellent. So AUDGPY. Okay, so let's talk about that. Let's remove this. There we go. Okay, so AUDGPY was the same kind of idea of NZDGPY. So if you look at the weekly time frame, you see people were freaking out once again and were trying to get into trade way too early and said, this is exactly what we plan on live session. Wait for H4 high low potential. I sent that on Discord because people were freaking out trying to jump in the trade like whenever. Okay, so which not good. Okay, so anyways, so we got the weekly time frame bullish. We got, if you look on the weekly here, we came up to retest this area, we broke it down, came down. If you look here, I think we are at the safety net, if I'm not wrong. Are we? Yeah, right at the safety net. Look at this doji, massive bullish engulfing candle here on the weekly. So I was like, all right, cool. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily was flipping bullish at the moment. So if you look here, daily went bearish, and once we broke above here, we flipped bullish. So what we do once that happened, we go down to the H4 time frame, and look at this. We wait for the pullback. Just wait for the pullback. Look at this. So H4 is bullish. Yeah, H4 is bullish. Just wait for the lower time frame to go back bullish once we reach the H4 golden zone. Okay. So yeah, here, if you look here, the 1 hour, 1 hour right here. Oh, here we go. I think it was on a 1 hour, or was it the 30 minute or the 1 hour? I can't remember. Hold on. Wait a second, ladies and gentlemen. It was on the 30 minutes. So if you see here, boom, we had the break above. I was hoping for a retest here, but I did that arrow before this price action happened. I was meaning basically to break this resistance right here, come down, retest to push up. This is exactly what happened. We came up. Let me grab my arrow. It's going to be easier. So we broke here. We have the small retest, engulfing candle, take it up, you know. So pretty simple. This was pretty good. Now, where did we exit it? I exited not where I wanted to. I'll show you here. It was only 1 hour, I think, because I was holding. I secured my profit on NZDGPY, so I was like, I was more comfortable. I put my stop at break even. So I was like, all right, worst case scenario, I'm just gonna be stop at break even, and that's all good. But what happened is was it on H4 or 2 hour? I can't remember. Okay, it was right here. Okay, it was somewhere around here. Once I missed when this push happened down, when we broke structure, because I was not in front of the computer and didn't watch it and didn't place any alerts. So what happened is once we broke, I think it was around this when we had the pullback here. I think this is where I broke that. I kind of closed around the 97-ish area, 97 zero something. I can't remember exactly. My other computer is closed. It's doing a reboot right now. Update of the software. But yeah, it was like somewhere around here. I don't have the exact price, but if your people are curious, just send me a private message or a question down below. Once my other computer is up and running, I'll go check the exact price. But it was like somewhere around here. Okay. And the only reason why I did that is because like we're in holidays. I'm not watching my computer that much. I was like, you know what? Just close the shit. Just grab some money, and I'm gonna risk that money that I saved on AUDGPY and put a bigger risk on the next trade, and that's it. Okay. Yeah. So, and basically, I just avoided a break even, trade. So probably did like a 0 point something percent. So, because if it was like around here, it was like, yeah, 1 to 1, maybe somewhere around there, whatever. So nothing crazy. But the most important thing is the NZDGPY was in massive profits, and this one I was willing to risk it a little bit more. And unfortunately, it was coming down to my break-even point. So I was like, you know what? Let me secure profits. And that's it. That come back to something I keep saying. It's like, guys, no one went broke securing profits. Doesn't matter if it's 0.5, 1, 3, 2, 20, whatever percentage your guys closing, you are securing profits. So the only thing you got to watch out is just make sure your RR is in positive, right? So, okay, so let's see here. Let's see. Next. I don't think I had any other trades. No, exactly. We had some pretty good, decent trade idea coming up, but I didn't do the update on the chart. So let's do that together. What time is it? 11:20. All right, we're good. We're rocking. Okay, so let's do GJ. Let's go check questions first. Whoa, what happened here? Okay. Okay, no more question. Okay, cool. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you guys coming in. Okay, so let's do GJ. Oh, Krish commenting here. Krish, Euro GBP cooking well from past 2 weeks. All right, you know what? Let's go take a look at it because I had an alert popping on Euro GBP and I didn't check. So let's go check it out. Okay, so weekly. You know what? We got the weekly. Let me remove this. Bam. Okay, so we got a weekly bearish. We have the pullback, and look at this. I think we are inside that. Did we? Okay, so we had the pullback here, and since then, now we went back. Okay. Okay, because this was still bearish. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's take a look at the daily. Daily went bullish here. Boom, bearish. Now wait for the bull. Okay, that's why. Okay, cool. Okay, so we got something here. Sorry, I was a little lost. So actually, let's delete this because it broke it down. Let's delete this. What is this alert? H4 going bearish. Let's remove all this so we start fresh. Let's remove this. Remove. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so now, okay, this is beautiful actually. This is really nice. I really like this. So we got the daily going bearish. We have the pullback inside that daily golden zone, which is also rejecting major QP 87000, which is also in sync with the daily area of interest. Woo! I mean, do you guys want like freaking like more than this? This is amazing. Okay. So now let's go take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour now, 4 hour actually went bearish, which is beautiful. Because if you look here, we were bullish here from there to there. And we just flipped bearish now. Boom. Boom. We'll create a lower low now. Okay, so let's change that for 4 hour lower high. And this is 4 hour lower low. Boom. All right, cool. That's good. So I would love for this H4 to go actually a little lower, have the pullback, and continue to the downside. That would be the best. Yeah, that would be the best. Let's take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour was bullish from there to there. Boom, bullish. Bearish. Boom, 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 boom. Still bearish. Boom, boom, boom. Bearish, bearish. Okay. So 1 hour is definitely bearish. H4 lower high and H4 lower low. Now let's see if anyone. Oh yeah, the 4 hour was not. Yeah, 4 hour was. Hold on. Boom from there to there. No, it flipped bearish there, but we never had the entry after that. Okay, so here now on the 30-minute. So this is now bearish. Yeah, I think now if you wait for this pullback on the 1 hour or 30-minute, 30 minutes is actually cleaner than 1 hour on this one. So if you look now, we're getting inside that golden zone on H1. So yeah, you can definitely take a look at the 30-minute, and if you see an engulfing candle, it can be good because the 4 hour is already bearish. So yeah, definitely this one, we're gonna put it green, and that's going on top now. Definitely gonna keep an eye on this. The only thing that sucks though, it's like it's new. It's the new year now, starting on January. So it's gonna be like a new monthly candle, and a new yearly candle. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna be trading the first couple days, but we'll see. Like last year, my biggest RR was on December 31st, which was crazy. I think it was 31st or 30th. I can't remember, but yeah, I think it was at 11 to 1. If I remember correctly, it was insane. Um, all right, so let's go take a look at something else. Other pairs. Euro GBP definitely look nice. Now NZD GPY. Can we re-enter NZD GPY? I don't think so. Not now, because now 4 hour went bearish. Oh no, actually it's still bullish. All right, we're good. Daily still bullish, but now it's coming down. So yeah, I don't know. So let's remove this. Not interested. GCAD. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly still bearish. Daily bearish. I'm still waiting for that pullback. Never happened. GCAD. Yeah, I think it's coming back up now. Let me actually remove all this. We never had the pullback on H4. Let's update that though. So that's gonna be H4 high, H4 high low. Here we go. But I'm not really interested in GCAT right now. So let's remove this. ADGPY continuation maybe, meh. The only place where I might be interested for GCAD, AUDGPY. Let me see something. Okay, yeah. Okay. You know what? AUDGPY, I might be still interested because if you look here to the left, look, we got a nice here. We got one resistance, two. We got support here. Plus, it's a major QP here at 90,000, 96,000 here. Major QP. Let me put that line at 96. What did I do? The fuck? Oh, actually, let's do this. Major QP. Here we go. And we'll put 0. Perfect. So you see, let's do daily area of interest. Perfect. So you see, if we're coming down now and we start rejecting this area, which is going to be also in the weekly golden zone. Look at this, man. How many like confluence altogether? That's crazy. That might be very nice. Oh, that's the daily golden zone session. Jeez, I had like brain freeze. All right, so now we got price coming down to the daily golden zone, daily area of interest, which is also a major QP. Damn, you know. So this, if I see any rejection, I might be interested. Now the 4-hour went. Let's see here. 4-hour was bullish here from there to there. Here we go. Now we flip back bearish. Okay. And now we're about to create a lower low. Once this H4 candle close, actually, let's update this. This can be 4-hour lower low, 4-hour lower high. There we go. So once this candle close under this, I'm going to be able to update this line, put this like this, and move this one. But for now, it's not closed, so we don't know yet. Okay. So what I'll be waiting for is I'll be waiting for H4 to go back bullish. Meaning, let's say that this candle close under here. I would prefer for something like this. Once we break above here, I'll wait for the retest to continue to the upside. If we don't create a lower low here, I'll wait for price to do this, break above this, retest to continue to the upside. So it's going to be one and the other. All right. So hopefully you guys taking notes because this might be a pretty solid trade. Yeah, pretty solid. Okay, man, all free. Jeez, you better smash that goddamn like button. Okay, there's comments here. Or is that? Let's see. Oh, sorry, man. I missed some chat here. You know what? I was into QPs until I saw an interview of fund manager from GPMC where he says every newbie at GPMC is taught to buy and sell on price level QPs rather than support and resistance. Yeah, no, I don't buy and sell on price level QPs. You know, and don't forget everything you rather than support and resistance. But where's that coming from? Fund manager, yeah, fund manager, whatever. But to be honest, I don't trade based out of that. It's just like an added confluence, meaning that there's a shit ton of people that just waiting for psychological numbers, round numbers, and there's also QP's theory about the overshot level, the 250. The 750. At the end of the day, I don't care what anyone says about anything. The only thing I do care about is when I do something, does it work for me? And it's been working for me. So that's the thing, guys. at one point you have to stop listening to a shit ton of different people. You got to stop, trade what you learn, trade what you want to try. If it works, continue like that. If it doesn't, wipe it off, start with something else, test it. If it works for you, go for it. That's it. Because there's so many ways you can trade. There's no one specific way that is the perfect one, the best one, the only one. Fuck it. If anyone tells you that, they're fucking scammers. Just like at the end of the day, that's what it is. There's no perfect strategy, the best strategy. That doesn't exist. The only thing that exists is the best strategy for yourself. Okay. So after that, it's up to you. It's up to you to decide and try and test shit. So yeah, for me, QPs, it's a pretty good added confluence. Because it works. I mean, you look at the chart and look like every major QP, like they get rejected. Look at those wicks. They get rejected right on the dot or just a couple pips after, and they get rejected. You know, so we got many, 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 many example like that. So, all right. So now let's move on to Euro GPY. Let's see. No, I meant I wasn't believing in QPs until I saw the interview. Oh, okay. But whatever, it's the same thing though. Even if if the person said it's good, it might be good for him, not good for you. So and vice versa. So that's why I said, try it, test it, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't. Um, but yeah, I love the QP theory. Um, Let's check here what we got. Euro GPY weekly time frame. We are bearish. We came up here to retest this daily area of interest, which is also major QP at 157. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily time frame is bullish. So now we gotta wait. For the swing to go bearish here. But intraday, intraday we're still bullish, but I don't like this now. So yeah, Euro GPY for now, not ready. CAD GPY, let's take a look. Weekly is still bullish. Daily, oops, sorry guys, my horse just won a race. Awesome. Man, this game is printing money. It's just like no joke. Like been racing for 7 days in the new season, with 4 horses in small races, and I'm actually already like $850 US in profits, and that takes me like those races takes like 2 minutes. Crazy. Anyways, I know I talked about it like previously in one of the stream, but you guys gotta check that game, man. It's just like it's crazy. I actually opened up a stable here. This stable has nothing. It's just with a free horse that I'm testing for a project called Soul Dog City. We're gonna generate money with this stable, and we're gonna split the profit to holders of the NFT. But yeah, I'm just doing a test right now. But you definitely want to check this website. It's crazy. Plus, it's free. You can register for free. They're gonna give you a free horse. You can test it. Anyways, let's go back to CAD GPY weekly time frame. Like I said, bullish. Daily is bullish. Okay. Actually, hold on. Wait a second. Did we create a higher high here? Yes, we did. So now we are bearish because we broke here under. So now let's remove this. Perfect. Let's change that to daily lower low. Boom. Boom. Daily lower high. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, so right now, nothing. Okay, so let's move that. Boom. Euro CHF. Weekly. Oh, look at this. Fuck. I missed that trade. Damn. This was a beautiful one that I missed by a couple pips because I got stopped by 0.0 0.02 pips. Like, fuck. Anyways, this would have been one of my good trade this year. But whatever. I was hoping to get back on that trade and look like I missed it. That really sucks. That sucks. Big time. What happened here? Okay, so I was saying wait for lower high potential on 4 hour, I guess. Yeah, we never had the pullback. But I completely forgot to check back after. So once we had that lower low here, I was like, wait for the H4, the lower high potential, but looked like I never went back on that chart. Damn. So what happened here? We did a lower low. Okay. Actually, this is clearly not an elbow. Lower low. Oh man, that sucks. Oh Jesus. Oh well. So I guess this is done now. What about the daily? Daily now it's just God damn it. Okay. So I guess this gone. Okay. GU. GU. Yo, that paper trade idea worked pretty well. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is something we took together during the live session as a paper trade. Look at this. Boom. You know, it was for a day trade. For that's why the RR is 2.5. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yep. All right, so now let's remove that. Let's start from scratch. Bam. Okay. Swing was under. Yeah, okay. Daily going bearish. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's start from scratch here. So we got a weekly bearish. We are inside a weekly golden zone at a weekly area of interest, which is also a major QP right here. Where is it? Let's do it. Put major QP. Boom, here we go. So that's pretty good. We just need to make sure this weekly candle, the next one, close bearish. So that's good. The daily, I love this. I like this. I really like this because it's going to give us a better RR if we do break under here. So I'm going to place an alert here saying like daily going bearish, because once we break that support, this is where I'm going to be interested in that trade. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there now. So now 4 is like this. And hold on. Let's put this bigger. There we go. Perfect. We're still bullish. So we'll wait. Okay. So GU, probably going to be interesting. Euro NZD. Boom, boom, boom. Euro NZD. We just create a new lower low, but we never had any pullback except for that small one. I don't like it. I'm waiting for the real pullback. NZD CAD, man, this pair, it's going to be a year now. I'm going to be watching it. Crazy. Took some, look at this paper trade. Paper trade is still, did it got stopped out? Just curious. Just curious. Let's see. Let's see. Woohoo. Let's see. Where's the other one? Let's see. This. So this paper trade would have been this one. This one would have hit TP. God damn. And look at this one. Yeah, so this one would be, actually TP would be hit here on this one. So this one, yeah, this one right here. This one is still in play. And if you remember correctly, we did that together live, okay? So yeah, that was good. I just missed it, but whatever. So now, what can we do with this? So weekly is bullish since 2022, and since then, almost all year, we had that pullback inside that weekly golden zone at the weekly area of interest. Once weekly flip back bullish, this is where, not flip back bullish, when the daily flip back bullish, this is where I started to be interested. Sorry, guys. Now we're just been ranging here. But now that we broke above, it might be interesting. Once again, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish, right? I just want to make sure we didn't broke under. We're bullish with a massive wick here, getting a lot of fuel. Nice engulfing candle. I kind of like this. Man, if it wasn't the fact that we were during the new year, this is actually a pretty nice entry. Not gonna take that one, but like I said, because market is closed right now, but just for fun, so that's gonna be how many pips? 34. So 34 plus 5, so 39 pips stop loss. Okay, and this is just to see if this would have been work. Actually, let's go down to the lower time frame first. Let's go take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, okay. So that makes sense. Okay, 30 minutes. Boom. Here we go. Put stop under. We got a 33, so plus 5, 38. Okay. All right, so let's go for a 3, 2, 1. There we go. So just, I'm going to make a note here so people don't get confused. This one, I didn't took it, but I definitely want to see if this is going to play out. If I have an opportunity, I might jump in that one on Monday. Actually, Monday market's going to be closed, but if I'm not wrong, which date are we? I'm so lost. We are the 30th. We're Saturday, so Sunday 31st. Yeah, so market's closed Monday. So Tuesday morning, we're going to have a live session, guys. Tuesday morning, we're going to do a live session and we'll go over those. So you know what? I think for this morning, we'll stop here because we'll go over everything else on Tuesday morning. Sorry. So here, got it noted. Man, these CHF pairs, so much spread. I removed them. Yeah, it's true though. Like spread are massive, and that's how I got fucked. That's how I got fucked on that trade. But whatever. NC sucks right now, Sensei. Yeah, it just. But right now, yeah, it's just because it's been ranging, right? But I'm just curious to see if this gonna play out because we kind of close above the daily area that was a problem. So if you look here, we finally close above this area, which was problem. Look at all those wicks. Okay, so when you look at a chart, look at those wicks. Okay, look at those wicks. So that's why I'm not interested in taking live right now. But obviously I can't because it's Saturday, right? But look at all those rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Man, this is 11 days of rejection of this price right here. The 84 major QP is just like it's being rejecting hard, you know. So look at this. I'm just gonna place a line so you can understand the major QP here. Look at this. Actually, I thought we closed above. We didn't. So yeah. Once we're gonna be closing above that one, I'm gonna be interested. But until we close above 84 here, look at this. I mean, we're just keep rejecting this level. So yeah, I'm not interested. Not at all. So even that paper trade, fuck it. You know. Yeah, I thought we closed above. My bad. Did the 4 close above? A tiny bit, but we went straight back down. And this is coming in play with the did we know? Oh, it was closed though. Because at the 250 there's the overshot level. Anyways, okay guys. So that's it. So we'll wait for next week Tuesday. I got fun. Okay. Did I forgot something? Can you check my chart, please? Oh, sorry, Krish, man. For once you're live, and I almost forgot. Let's do this. Let's do this, Krish. Okay. Whoa, what did I do? I just placed your thing in silence. Okay. Uh, Hey, Sensei. Hope you are having a great day today. Really excited for tomorrow FTOB, as we also have New Year's in a couple of days. So I'm sharing with you my two trades on GJ, which I took on the same day. One was a L and other one was a W. The loser one was first trade, and we re-entered despite of losing first on same pair, as we just executed our plan as it played out and didn't care about previous outcome trade. Okay. It would be great if you would go through both of my trades and analysis and suggest me what should I have done instead of something, what you like in each trade, what you dislike. Sorry guys, I'm going to try to fast forward this. Suggestion will be noted. Would love my thank you for always answering and supporting me. Okay, so let's go over this. Let's copy this. Copy. And let's do. Is that gonna work? Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay. So let's do this. So this is GJ. We're looking at GJ 30 minutes. All right. So one here. Let's set confluence to go short. Okay. 30% weekly bear, daily bear. Okay. We're testing. Okay. Frontier waited for pullback after 1 hour close. Persian Gulfing in the Swiss has moved a big. Okay. 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 So now let's take a look at this. Boom. So SOS and engulfing here. Okay. 2, close engulfing here. This one. Yeah. Okay. 3, entered on this bearish engulfing after pullback as price was rejected for 2 MA. And yeah, I don't know about the EMA, guys. Sorry. Never worked with it. Don't know how it works. So that I cannot help. Should have waited for price to come at 0. Yeah, I was just about to say this was not like a solid pullback, right? So it's always more risky. Usually I keep 10 pips breathing room, but in this I get 5 pips. Should have stick to my plan. Oh, geez. Yeah, you got stopped. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, that sucks. Oh, well. Yeah, so I think for me, the only thing that I would have waited is actually a real pullback, you know. But at the end of the day, you also had this. It just I don't know how it looks on the higher time frame though. But I might go check on my chart. Yeah, so the rest is good. The rest is good. I mean, the idea was good. I just don't know like the higher time frame. Actually, let's go take a look. GJ 4. When was that? Do we have the date here? The 27, I guess. The 27, December 27. December 27. Somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, here. Right here. Um, 27, Sasha, 27. Oh, right here. Yeah, it's hard to find on my chart right now. But yeah. So, anyways, the moral of the story here will wait for a real pullback. If you take this trade, you can take it, but with lower risk. That's what I do when I do take trade like this. I just take a smaller risk. So let's check the other chart. because I'm running late now. Sorry, I should have started with that. I'm sorry, Krish. Okay, so here, 1 hour 30 minute SOS here. Okay, this is the 30-minute GJ. Okay, we already lost a trade on the same pair someday. Sorry, guys, I'm just reading in my head. Set up strategy. Yeah, I love all your notes, by the way, Krish. Congrats. This guys, man, if you journal your trade like this, man, you're gonna make it. You're gonna have success. This is beautiful. 30-minute SOS here. Yep. Okay. We have the pullback. Boom. Nice engulfing candle. This is perfect, guys. This perfect. 1, 2, 30-minute lower high, which was used for a sell. Perfect. 2 hour engulfing on which trade was taken, which was also 30-minute engulfing potential head and shoulder. Perfect. Yeah, it is actually. Yeah, it is. That's good. Wow, super. 5, 4. We started trading our stop once we achieved at 180, which was our TP1, which was currently daily lower low. Trailing stop, it's not something I personally do, but it's not bad, I guess. I never really work with that. The only thing I do is put my stop at break even at one point. Once I reach like 2 to 1 or 2.5 or 3, I don't always do it. But let's say I'm going in bed or there's something going on in my life, I'm just gonna put my stop at break even. So worst case scenario, I'm getting stop at break even. But I try to hold my SL the longest I can because sometimes it really happened to me many times that it actually went to my break even and bam to TP. So I'm trying to not move my stuff to break even too much, but once it makes sense, I do it. We started trading. Okay, trading SL hit here at 4.5. Oh, geez. Okay, once it pulled back here. Okay, that's why you were trailing here, stop loss here. Okay, I see. Our final TP was this 179, which was daily 200 EMA, was ordered and executed due to the spread and hit our trailing stop loss. Oh, jeez, you missed it by. And you see again, major QP. Look at this. This is a perfect example. Major QP 179, bam, rejection. And look, where is your rejection again here? Look at this. Boom, rejected in 180. And people tell me sometimes, yeah, QP don't work. Yeah, okay. But yeah, great job, man. Great job, Krish. I'm really happy for you. Impressed. You're working great, man. Keep it up. You and I think it's your brother or friend or cousin, I can't remember, but keep it up, guys. You're doing good. Yeah, I only trailed. Oh, hold on. I only see a part of it. I only trade SL in this once we achieved. Yeah, okay, that's good. Excellent. Excelente. All right, guys. So thank you so much for being here this morning with special Forex talk over a Munster. It was fun. We're gonna do this again, but we'll be back live on Tuesday morning. So make sure to tune in. We'll go over some trade idea for the next upcoming year. And I wish you happy New Year, guys. A successful year of trading. Wish you the best. Keep working hard. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have an amazing day. And again, Happy New Year to everyone. Take care.